Welcome. Kumari Arivial Peravai Young Scientist Program Coastal Environmental Field Study. On the topic Estuarine Ecology and Management, Accurate Confluence Focus, Polio Estuary, an assessment of aquatic biodiversity and strategies for effective water pollution management in the estuarine zone. Members and topic Jejitas Introduction and Mapping Fatima Harzana M Ecological and Biodiversity Focus Sri Eri S Water Quality and Pollution Assessment Harshini JB Human Interaction and Management Nivedika SS Conservation and Management Strategies Dushyant SM Ideal Way Forward Tanyashri SV Conclusion Estuaries are dynamic and highly productive ecosystems formed at the point where freshwater rivers meet the marine environment. These regions act as transition zones between land and sea,
Estuary is
supporting
affected
rich
by the pollution
biodiversity and
caused by
complex
the plastic
ecological
waste,
interactions.
sewage,
Due
and
to the
human
mixing of
activities.
freshwater and
To
saltwater,
control this,
estuaries
awareness
experience
program can be
constant
taken
change in
to educate the
salinity,
people about the
nutrients, and
responsible
sediment
waste
flow, making
management.
them ecologically unique
Mangrove
and
planting
extremely
helps
sensitive to
reduce erosion
environmental
and improve
disturbances.
water
At the
quality.
same time,
Legal
estuaries
measures
are
such as the
often
Coastal
exposed to
Regulation Zone
intense human
rules and the Water
activities, which
Act are
increases the
enforced
need for
to
effective
prevent
management
illegal
and
dumping
conservation.
and harmful
The Polur
construction.
estuary,
These
located along the
actions
southern coastal
together help
region of
manage
Kerala
pollution
near the
and
Kerala
protect the
Tamil Nadu
estuary.
border, is an important estuarine system influenced mainly by the Nayar River and AVM Canal. The Nayar River originates from the Agastya Malay ranges of the Western Ghats and flows westward before merging with the Arabian Sea at Polior. This river plays a crucial role in supplying fresh water, sediments, and nutrients to the estuary. Alongside this, the AVM Canal, a part of the historic West Coast Canal system, also connects to the estuarine zone, contributing additional water flow as well as human induced inputs. The interaction of the Naya River, AVM Canal, and seawater creates a complex estuarine environment that supports diverse aquatic life. However, increasing pollution from domestic sewage, plastic waste, fishing activities, and canal borne contaminants has begun to negatively impact water quality and biodiversity in the estuary. The field study, conducted on 20 December 2025, focuses on estuarine ecology and management with special emphasis on the accurate confluence dynamics at the Polluer estuary. The study aims to assess aquatic biodiversity, identify pollution sources and ecosystem,
ecological and biodiversity focus of the area includes various fish, crustaceans, mollusks, birds, and aquatic vegetation. Fish species observed include black snapper, milkfish, and Indian mackerel. Crustaceans found are crab, prawn, shrimp, and lobster, while mollusks include oyster, and snail. The aquatic vegetation consists of mangroves, seagrass, and algae. Bird life monitoring shows the resident birds include Asian open-billed stork and migratory birds such as duck, crane. Visit the area seasonally. The health of mangrove and riparian vegetation is generally good with the green leaves. Ongoing regeneration, however, some trees are affected by plastic pollution. The estuary also supports important habitats including common grounds for feeding and breeding as well as for nursery zones for young fish near estuary. Even though the estuary itself does not have much spots, before not so long, fish breeding was done here with no problems. Due to our influence, it has changed and thus maintaining these habitats is crucial for sustaining biodiversity.
Today I am going to do the part of water quality and assessment in this field study. First of all, Nayar Lake, near sea. pH level 8.5, TDS 107 ppm. It is slightly alkaline as it is mixed with the wastes from nearby hotels. 2. Estuary zone poor. pH level is 8.25, TDS 101 ppm. It is also slightly alkaline because it is made up of more rivers which travels throughout most cities of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. 3. Mangrove Forest AVM Canal. pH level 6, TDS is 188 ppm. It is almost a neutral one because the mangroves there purify the water. 4. Nayar Lake near AVM Canal. pH level is 9, TDS 133 ppm. It is alkaline because it covers a long distance through Kerala, covering many homes which dump wastes on water. 5. Nayar Lake main path. pH level is 5, TDS 135 ppm. It belongs as the water for farming where they use pesticides which seeps into the water, making it a acidic one. 6. Poor Lake. It is very slightly acidic because the forest in which it cover purify the alkaline materials. 7. Poor Lake midpoint. It is also very slightly acidic as no one there into the forest to pollute it. It is the midpoint of the Poor Lake. Thank you.
Human interaction. Human interaction with the estuary happens in three damaging ways. First, the physical surface. Humans introduce non biodegradable plastic and general trash into the water and surrounding land. This dumping chokes marine life and degrades the health of the entire estuary. Second, chemical interaction. Resorts built for tourism often release cleaning agents and untreated chemicals directly into the water. This leads to eutrophication and chemical poisoning, making the water toxic and causing mass fish deaths. Third, economic and tourism interaction. The estuary is treated as a commercial space. Boating creates noise and waves that erode the banks, while activities like camel riding bring excessive foot traffic and even more waste to this fragile area. We must manage this interaction to protect our natural resources.
The Polur estuary is affected by the pollution caused by the plastic waste, sewage, and human activities. To control this, awareness program can be taken to educate the people about the responsible waste management. Mangrove planting helps reduce erosion and improve water quality. Legal measures such as the Coastal Regulation Zone rules and the Water Act are enforced to prevent illegal dumping and harmful construction. These actions together help manage pollution and protect the estuary.
Estuaries are very important ecosystems. They provide a habitat for many plants and animals, including fish, crabs, bats, and mangroves. This following ways could help to save the estuaries. Proper waste management. Plastic and solid waste should be collected, separated, and recycled instead of being dumped into rivers and estuaries. Reduce plastic use. Avoid single use plastics like bags, bottles, and packaging. Use cloth bags and reusable containers. Third point, treat sewage and industrial waste. Sewage and industrial effluents should be treated before being released into rivers that flow into estuaries. Fourth point, protect mangroves. Mangroves help filter pollutants and prevent erosion. Conserving mangrove forest protect estuary ecosystems. Fifth point, public awareness. Educating people about the importance of estuaries help reduce pollution through responsible behavior. Sixth point, government regulations. Strict laws and regular monitoring are needed to control pollution and protect estuaries.
In conclusion, protecting estuaries like Polur estuary require a collective effort. By understanding the impact of human activities, adopting simple yet effective practices, and supporting conservation initiatives, we can preserve these vibrant ecosystem for future generations. The data shows
that even small change like proper waste management and reducing plastic use can significantly improve water quality. For instance, the pH level and TDS value of the water body in the area indicate that some zones are more effective than others. However, with communities led initiatives, government regulations, and individual action, we can make a difference. Let's work together to keep our estuaries thriving, supporting and diverse range of plants and animals that call them home, and estuaries that long-term health of our planet.